on the block here in Utah. And I gotta say, wow, got this beautiful desert background, mountains. It's like epic. We're going behind the scenes to show you what's happening on Rock the Block. We're going big, it's gonna be dry, it's gonna be salty, it's gonna be sassy, and by God, I'm loving all of it. Yeah! So it's the veterans versus the rookies. Who's got the real edge? All I know is it's gonna be an epic battle. Now let's talk about the setting this year on Rock the Block. I mean, you could not dream up a more perfect setting here in Utah. We've got huge homes, 5,500 square feet. Are you kidding me? That's a lot of house on a lot of land. So they're gonna have to bring some really big ideas.
No, I'm not worried about this yet. Looks like I'm the
So let's talk about the teams, right? We've got 4 amazing teams this season. We've got the Hawaiians, Tristan and Kamahai.
All we do is work with the budget and add the most value as possible. Take what we already do and have done for years and bring it up to Utah.
The other rookies, we've got Cole and Chelsea from South Dakota.
I don't know what we're doing today. I just show up.
We're trying to envision how we would live in the space and how a big family would use the space.
We're really trying to gear our, whole aesthetic and vibe of the house to be family friendly.
We've also got John and Jordan Knight.
First time I was on the show, we overthought everything. This season, I'm not really overthinking everything too much.
The other veteran team, we've got Allison Victoria with Michelle Smith-Boyd. These guys are both very talented.
Become really comfortable with pivoting because everything changes on the dime. And just take a risk.
Yeah.
Yeah, take a risk.
So you're talking about a variety pack of designs and styles on the block this year.
We'll never make it!
I'm excited to see because the block is huge, the talent is huge, and we expect really big things. The heat is up.
What is up, you guys? Ready for some BTS? Today was a huge day.
Massive day. Come out. We work with appraisers every single day. So if we're just constantly thinking of what that person is going to see and notice, then we're gonna win all day long and twice on Sunday.
Our competitive advantage is that we know where to spend money to add the most value. Stuff everywhere.
We got our appliances are to get installed today. Countertops just went in.
This was the most nerve-wracking part of today
Oh my
because
God.
it's such a big piece.
People are gonna be like, they look exactly the same.
I know, but if you get really close, this is a lighter option. This is a darker option. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned to see exactly which one ends up going into our kitchen.
I mean, we feel all the things because it's our first time being in a renovation competition show. I think we're more excited just to be here doing what we do best and doing it with like all the homies on HGTV. It's kind of fun.
There are probably about 1,800 people in that house making sure that our vision is actually brought to fruition. So Alice and I have a lot of work and a lot of people to work around.
How do you feel going into
I mean,
this?
I feel incredibly confident. What about you?
I mean, I every year I said I was gonna win.
I can't let you down. I can't let Anthony down. I can't let our fans down.
I know. I'm not doing that to you, so we are in it to win it.
Let's not y'all. Hell no. There are no horses in this house. I'm gonna have to talk to somebody about that. That is definitely the horse.
This is our typical morning on the block. We'll come to hair and makeup first, then we go up to the house. We're working on the kitchen. What else are we working on? Laundry room,
Kitchen, living, dining.
kitchen, living, dining. I'm excited for what we have going on in there. It's gonna be pretty cool.
Yeah. So I wake up in the morning and I'm so excited to get here and go see our house.
We usually ask first thing to go to the house. Originally, I didn't think I would be very competitive coming here. We were just kind of rolling with it. We're gonna have a good time. Being here, I'm very competitive now.
I feel like being here and seeing the actual house and seeing everyone on the block, it brings out a new side of us that we didn't know we had. We're kind of leaning into our personal style. Like, we definitely want to provide a family-friendly home. It's surrounded by mountains. I feel like it kind of reminds us of home. Like, we have a big family. So we're kind of envisioning us in the space and creating a home around that.
We'll get out of this last day.
This season on Rock the Block, my design partner was tied up.
I was untied.
He was untied. So who better to come join this adventure than my brother, who has been with me my entire life. He is very good at design. He's very good at keeping me on budget.
And time.
And time. We were late this morning, but that's okay. I think he was late, not me.
So many decisions, so many like little decisions that have to be made so quickly, and your brain, you have to just be ready to like be very creative all the time.
You know, well, I think the other teams may look at us as just two pop stars, but I've been flipping houses since '94 and, you know, been working with clients designing houses for the last 8 years. So, you know, we're not just these pretty boy banders.
We're about to shoot the big Wayfair arrival shot on the block, which is when the teams get their furniture for the very first episode. A little bit of a race with teams running as fast as they can to get their stuff and get it inside because, you know, the judges are coming.
Go. Feel free to send your team. Send them. Send them.
You know what to do?
Slam down there. Yeah. This is a Hawaiian style growing up. We never had enough money for two bikes.
You just get on the hatch bar.
We just do one. It's just.
Oh God, don't drop me.
Today is judging day.
Judgment Day.
So this year is a lot different than the past season that I did in that we have blind judges this year. And I'm still like wondering how this is gonna work.
Blind judging?
Love it.
We absolutely love it. Way more fair for everyone because there's no friendships or biases in any way.
I kind of like it for the rookies, but for us, we're friends with everybody that judges. So I like the home team advantage. Fair is fair. We're gonna win anyway. So.
I really don't know how this is gonna turn out.
I'm excited. I mean, it's not very often that you get to see 4 identical homes transformed in 4 different ways. So I think this is going to be very exciting to me.
So here on the block, the camaraderie is intense. When they're not coercing and joking and kumbayaing, they spend most of their time really working in the heat and exhaustion. But the judging is about to happen, and so all that camaraderie is going to go right out the window. And then they're just going to blame me. Hello, teams. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. Are you ready to meet Week 1's judge? Bobby Burke from Queer. And the winner of the Rock the Block Kitchen, Dining Room, and Living Room Challenge is Allison Victoria and Michelle Smith Boyd.
Congrats.
You did it again.
I love this kitchen. I love bringing in the green and doing it in kind of an unexpected way. But also, I feel like green's the new neutral. So what better way to do it than with a 60-inch range, 2 full ovens. Of course, you guys know I've got to get my hood in here, and I've got to make that the focal point of the kitchen.
This is super simple. Great boucle sofa. Green chairs. Of course we chose green. We're both kind of obsessed with this color. So these are super comfy and they are framing our fireplace. My favorite thing about this space is the architecture around the fireplace. We did this bump out and then did Villeneuve corners on the edge. So it's like a cool architectural element without spending a lot of money, just a little creativity.
Countertops in the green, the veining, the beautiful open shelving, and then this massive island, which is protected marble. So you can have marble in your kitchen. You just gotta skin it and do it right. So bringing in the light, having the sink relocated into this space really opened up the island for it to be kind of informal dining, but also tons of prep space. Beautiful towers. So one full fridge, one full freezer, tile everywhere. So like great mix of materials, but still like understated, moody, and then energizing at the same time.
In our dining space, we decided to frame our view. I mean, kind of hard to resist that view. Our dining table is really simple too, but to encourage like casual dining, we did a built-in bench here all the way along the wall. This is perfect for a party, y'all. We've got 2 leaves for this table. We can stretch it out and make it a buffet or pop it out to our balcony. There's so many options, but it's a really cool flex space living dining combination. This plus that big island, that's a big party.
Everybody wants a pantry like this. And pantry like this forces you to be organized and intentional. And I feel like this entire kitchen does just that.
Catch an all-new episode of Rock the Block
This Monday night at 9 on HGTV.